Hello traders, welcome back to the channel. This is Vishal and you're watching Nifty and Banknifty short-term view. I hope all of you are doing fine and the market is also treating you pretty well. In my previous weekly sector analysis educational video, जो मैंने Sunday को share किया था, I had clearly shared that the upcoming levels in Nifty futures could be 17,770 and 17,800, and you can see that today's high is almost 17,822.70, which clearly shows that all of my levels were tested. And once those levels were tested, you can see a small dip in the Nifty futures. So now, after achieving my levels, what is the trend and how will Nifty continue to trend higher and even Bank Nifty? Let's get into that. First thing is in terms of state of trend in the hourly time frame chart and in the daily time frame chart, the trend is clearly up without any doubts. Although I would be more happy if in the daily time frame chart, I could have seen a big green candle today. Because after yesterday's up move, it was expected that even today there could have been some sort of bullish candle possible on the daily time frame charts, which could be really nice and confidence inducing for bullish traders. But nevertheless, market is always right and we have to accept what market delivers to us. Now, if you check properly, there is some sort of higher high visible in price and lower high visible in RSI. But according to me, there is nothing much to fear as overall trend stays up. There could be some sort of dip, maybe around 50 points, maybe around 100 points in Nifty futures, probably not more than that, and a small consolidation in extreme short term. Once that consolidation is over, probably we'll see an up move continuing on the upside in Nifty futures. That is the trend as of now in Nifty. If we check Bank Nifty futures is much stronger in comparison to Nifty futures, and it is hovering around this particular resistance, which is around 42,600, 42,660. And if you check properly, twice, this is the first time, this is the second time, twice this particular resistance has been tested. Yes, today it has been able to close above the resistance, but the candle is a small inverted hammer. And if you can check, there has been small amount of profit booking even in the hourly time frame charts. So the trend stays certainly up. There is no doubt about that. But a small consolidation or maybe a small dip cannot be ruled out. Overall trend will remain on the upside. On the downside, if you're looking for supports, then I'll just share the coordinates with you. From 42,416 or 42,415 to 42,520. This entire band, according to me, this entire horizontal band is a decent support for short term in Bank Nifty futures. Now, if you check the auto pack has been trending pretty nicely. If you can see, majority of the candles in this particular rally are pretty big in size and green in color, which is the bullish bell toll candles. Now, out of this auto pack, one stock I have noticed today, which is Eicher Motors. Now, in this particular stock, I would like to go to the 15 minutes time frame chart. In the daily time frame chart, the trend is up. The stock has taken a small dip. It has been able to bounce back from a decent support. It's not a very strong support, I would say. This is not a very strong support. This is an average support. But the pattern which I have seen in the 15-minute chart is amazing. What I can see that this was a downtrending channel, according to me. And in this downtrending channel, there has been a breakout on the upside. All right. And after the breakout, there has been a consolidation. So it means so far, so good. This is the pain zone, according to me. This is the pain zone because if this level was broken, you can see over here, twice prices have been able to bounce back. In case if this level was broken, 31.45, 31.40, then we could have seen more retracement happening in this stock. But after the breakout, stock has gone flat. If 31.45, 31.40 is not broken, then there is a decent possibility that the stock will continue trending on the upside for next few days. All right, so this was the pick of the stocks for today in today's Nifty and Bank Nifty short-term view. And I hope today's video has helped you to understand that how Nifty, Bank Nifty, and especially iShares Motors can move in the next few days. If you like this video, share with your friends, share with other traders who would find it useful. Trade well, trade wisely. Thank you.